Piano-Play-It.com.
Hi, welcome back to another free piano lesson by Piano-Play-It.com. I'm David, and today we're going to talk about the dotted half note, which is a half note with a dot. How much we have to count when we see a dotted half note? We're going to see that right away. Let's go. So, remember the half note? It's basically an empty circle with a stem, and it's worth 2 counts. What happens if we add a dot on the right side of the note? The meaning of the dot is that you have to add to the note half of its value. Now, half of 2 is 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3. The dotted half note is worth 3 beats, 3 counts. So if we had a half note, and half of a half note is a quarter note, altogether we get a dotted half note which is worth 3 counts. Now, remember that we talked about the 4 quarters time signature. The 4 quarters time signature means we have 4 notes in a measure before we get the bar line, and each note is a quarter note. Today I'd like to discuss a new time signature, the 3 quarters time signature. So in this case we have 3 notes before the bar line, so we have basically 3 notes in a measure, and each note lasts 1 quarter. So instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4 as in the case of the 4 quarters, we have to count here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 before we add another measure. I hope it's clear, but now we're gonna play a musical piece with a 3 quarters time signature and with a dotted half note, so we'll see how everything combines together. Okay, so I'm gonna quit at this point. If you wanna watch the full piano tutorial, all you have to do is click here on the right if you're watching the specific piano tutorial on YouTube, or below if you're watching the channel, and I will direct you to the page where you can watch the full piano tutorial of the dotted half note with an example of how I play a piece with a dotted half note and with a 3 quarters time signature. The reason I'm doing it is that I'd like you to join my website, Piano-Play-It, where you can study piano for free. It's only I want you to be part of our growing community and to join my students. So I'll see you there. Bye bye.
Piano-Play-It.com. Piano-Play-It.com.